Sunrise police are investigating one of their own after shocking body camera footage showed an altercation between a sergeant and another officer. NBC6 investigator Willard Shepard joins us with that video and what we know so far. Hey, Willard.
Well, there is an investigation underway here, and the chief, Anthony Rosa, taking action here to let the community know what's going on here, but also shows how some of this process that they have been doing to train officers to step in, even concerning with one of their own, if that becomes necessary. We want to show you this video here. I found out this morning this actually took place back in November when the officers here in Sunrise were taking a felon into custody and had that person into custody. There is a sergeant that is seen in the video that pulled out a can of pepper spray, never actually deployed it, but at that moment a second officer stepped in, taking that sergeant by the back of his belt and was moving him backwards when the video shows that that sergeant turned around and put his hands on the throat of the officer who had moved over into that situation. That sergeant has been removed from all of the supervisory capabilities that the sergeant has had here at the police department in Sunrise, and there's an internal affairs investigation underway. The police chief chose to release this video to us and to the public in terms of transparency. That's something the chief doesn't even actually have to do here because he's protected by the Florida law in not releasing it because an internal affairs investigation is underway. But the chief in his statement said that they wanted complete transparency with this. This investigation now moves forward. The chief also commended the officer who stepped in because that officer wanted to take action to de-escalate the situation and thought things were going to escalate. And police and law enforcement across the board have been saying, especially after George Floyd, officers have to step in when they see something that they think that they can prevent that's going wrong, even if it's another officer. And that's what the chief believes was taking place here. Of course, the investigation will continue and move forward. We'll have much more throughout the course of the day on this situation here in Sunrise. In Sunrise, Willard Shepard, NBC6.